Hey, what is up, wonderful world of Facebook and YouTube? I think today might be the craziest car to detail ever. So let's go ahead and check it out and see what we got here. Alright, so I'm working on a Saturn Aura XR, and already we have the front passenger seat, which we have some crazy staining going on there, a whole lot of stuff on the seat. We even got a bullet, some medicine, a bunch of medicine. We've got some crazy junk going on the carpet. I'm not even sure what is going on down here, but we'll figure this out. Let's see. And what else do we have? The dashboard is quite dusty, and there's quite dusty. But this is gonna be the toughest to clean up. So, driver's side carpet isn't that bad for carpet. This seat is crazy. Let's go to the back. Back seat carpet isn't that bad. We have some spills there. And I don't know, let's get to it. Alright, man, here we go. This does not at all look like the same car. That seat is still kind of wet, but this is the Saturn Aura that I just worked on. No dirt on that. That seat is picture perfect. Well, it's not perfect, but I did it the best that I could. No more apple cores, pennies, and beans inside of there. And then let's go to this back carpet. Man. Now, is it perfect? No. But is it 120 times better? Yes. Let's go to the driver. Alright, so that seat there is better than what it started. It's just not perfect though. There's no way I could do it. The carpet is super clean, a whole lot cleaner than what it was, but that carpet there was the worst. And I cleaned all these carpets and all this upholstery with a shop vac and a pump sprayer instead of my hot water extractor, which I'm probably gonna sell now because I don't necessarily need it. So, and I actually have two of them. This does not look like the same car. I'm like dripping sweat. So the day in the life of detailing.